Hey everybody, Crazy Canuck here, coming at you from Saskatchewan, Canada. I just wanted to throw out a quick video. Topic of drying lumber always comes up. So I figured I'd take this piece of poplar and we're going to do some testing. So this is 2 inches thick, and the general rule is air dry 1 year per inch, and then kiln dry for however long it takes. So I got my mill put together mid-October, so even if this was the first one I ever cut mid-October, that's only a couple months of dry time. So we're going to see how much moisture it has on the surface, and then we're going to cut it and see what we have in the center. I'm also going to run it through the planer, get a surface, get a subsurface, and then do a chop at the end. So we'll take the first reading here. I've got the moisture meter. I've got 2 of them, but this one gives more of a digital readout on it. So we're gonna see what we got here. 10.6 on the surface. So 10.6 on the surface. Just write that down. So now I'll run it through the planer, and I'll come back and we'll check the subsurface. And then I'll chop the end off and we'll check the center of it. And we'll see where we're sitting at. Now this slab's only been sitting in my shop. Not a whole lot of air movement. Temperature, especially at night, is near freezing. During the day, if I'm working in here, it can be, you know, not bad. It's not quite room temperature, a little bit lower. So I'll get this run through the planer and we'll take a look at the results. Okay, I ran it through the planer. You can see this nice, beautiful grain in this poplar. It's unreal. So now we'll take a surface moisture. And we're 14.7, 12.6. So we'll call it 14, just on the surface. And then we'll do an end. We'll check on the end here, right in the center. So 27-ish, 22, 21. So even if we called it 27, so we're looking at, on the surface is 10, you're looking at 14 right under the surface, and then the center of a 2-inch slab is 22 to 27. So when this was cut, it was well over 50%. So in a couple months, even the core dried down about half the way, half the moisture. So that isn't bad. I had some maple in the house, and I put it by kind of like a heater by, well, not really accident, but wasn't expecting a dry down that quick. In less than a month, it went to 10%. So I don't think it takes as long to dry down here anyway than it does on a lot of places that you see on the internet. I could probably take this now, stack it right, band it tight in the house, because our house is like 30 to 35% moisture, and it would dry down very quickly. So that was just a quick video on to see exactly how fast things dry, and to see what the results of just having it sitting in the shop. So that's it for this video. A little quick update. I hope everybody's having a great Christmas. I'll be coming out hopefully with a few more videos here shortly. A few different things I'm doing. But that's it for now. Like if you like, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.